So starting at the 7th character, print out every second character. I think we just done that one there. So let's get back in here. Number 7. And there's one way to do it. Start at character number 7. Go all the way to the end and every second character. Do I have a second way of doing that? Yes, I do. Python again, just to reinforce this. If you're going all the way to the end, you don't need to tell it. Okay? This is really, really important. You know, I don't know if some of you are grabbing this or listening here. Really important. Next one. Output the last character in the string. Here's another massively important thing. Another massively important thing. Look at this. Right? That's going to print out 0 for 10. Here's another way to do it. -1, negative indexing. And here's the most important one. The length of the string -1. So if there's 27 characters in the string, 27 minus 1 is 26. And that prints out that 0. That last one is absolutely critical for understanding loops later on. Number 13, print out string in reverse. There is just the easiest way to do it. Start to end, going backwards in steps of -1. So if you've got to remember, if you're already at the start, which is 0, and you want to go backwards, you will be starting at 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, and go all the way in reverse. There it is. 0, 1, last name, all done in reverse. Number 14, output the string in uppercase form. This is fairly straightforward. String name, and you're using a method here, .upper here, job done. And I print that out, changes everything to uppercase. Same with the next one nearly. .lower changes everything to lowercase. And these are methods that you can do on strings. These are methods that you can do on strings. Everything is changed to lowercase. Next one there is number 16, capitalize. Another method. Just be careful that you don't call it the Irish way, that you call it with the Z. Capitalize. And that just changes the first letter of the string to a capital. Number 17, check if the string contains Dobie. So, does it contain Dobie there? So I'm going to use my logic here and say, oh, maybe that the method that I want you to use is contains. I run that, I get an error. No attribute or no method called contains. So let's go looking for it. Check if string contains something. Contains a substring. Python. Nice bit of that Lion King on the background. Contains a substring. Oh yeah, well you could do that, but I think there's an actual keyword. So that is one way you could do it. Absolutely. You could just check if the word using the in keyword, if whatever you're looking for is in the string. You could do that, but there has to be, I'm almost sure of it, there's an actual contains or finds or something. There's something in there. Again, I'm just checking here. Okay, look, not going to waste too much time. Here is one solution, because you're probably doubting that I can do it, but as it's been done there, if you did a lift statement, if Dobe is in, and this is what we're just saying, I suppose, in app, then print string contains Dobe. So we're going to have an issue here with strings. So I'm going to just jump out here and put this as a double string there. I could have done backslash or whatever I wanted. So that should do it. That's one way. And I'm going to come back to you in the next video, and I promise you I'll have another way using a method.